Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to see my reviews on AliExpress. I will use my browser for that because an AliExpress application it just doesn't show. So let's open browser and go to official website of AliExpress.com, and at the top of the screen you should find an icon. This is your profile. You should go to settings and then here find feedback line. And here basically in your my feedback list you can see all reviews that you have previously submitted. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.